Hi, this is Dan Fleming from DansMark Software Solutions. This is an updated video of my new program called the new Millenium Railings. Basically, if you haven't seen the other videos, this is a spin-off of my custom railing designer and my slope railing designer. Basically, I've combined those two together and made it even more powerful than those. So you'll be able to draw flat, arced, sloped, and stair railings in any combination. You'll also be able to do calculations for your slopes and stairs. You can pick a drawing. In other words, someone sends you a drawing, you can actually pick off of that drawing to get your rise and run from that. You'll also, on your stair portion of the program, you'll be able to place your pickets on the treads if you wanted to. In other words, you'll be able to put your pickets on the stringer edge, on a concrete edge, or on the tread itself, and you'll be able to control where on that tread you want it. You want it in the middle. You want it 2 inches off the very end nosing of the tread, 3 inches off. Whatever it is that you need, it will do it for you. So basically, you'll be able to do darn near anything you need with the sloped and stair and flat and arc. There'll be many different types of fastening systems for the bases of these railings. You'll be able to core drill. You'll be able to use a base plate and a traditional flat. You'll be able to use a face-mounted base plate. In other words, it'll be, if you have a concrete edge, your railing sits on a face-mounted base plate, and you tap on it, or however it is that you like to mount your railings into the side of, or the face of whatever it is you're fastening to. So, if you haven't seen my other 2 programs, you should look at those videos, and you can at least see what those capabilities were. I'm combining those and making a brand new program, and this program will be able to do it all. You'll be able to draw left, right, away from you, and towards you, and to any degree. There'll be many types of end connections. There'll be many types of connections for splices. You'll be able to do anything that you want to do with this program when I get it through. We're going to go ahead and draw 2 railings right now. Basically, this is going to be drawn from right to left, and the other one's going to be drawn from left to right. Or right to left and left to right. Anyway, let's go ahead and start it off. At this point, you're able to do shop drawings, erection-drawings, or elevation drawings, and the submittal. Now, the submittal portion is not fixed yet, but we're working on it. We'll go ahead and do the elevation. Now, you'll be able to do any combination of flat, sloped, stair, and arced railings. I don't have the sloped arced railing done yet, or the stair arc railing done yet, but those I will be working on next. We'll start off with a flat, and I've already drawn these pieces out, so you'll be able to either enter a length or pick a line. So if you draw your line from right to left, or from left to right, it's going to read that line data if that's what you want to do. Or you can just enter the length of those in manually. We're going to draw this to the right. We're not going to put any dimensions on it. We're going to do another one. And now we could either go towards me, towards you, from you, or continue straight. For this video, we're going to continue straight. The next one we're going to do is an arc. We're going to pick the arc. We're going to do another one, continue, another flat one. another, continue, slope. Now, it read the run from the slope. All you need to do is put in the rise. And I will be creating a portion of the program that basically you'll be able to draw your plan views. I have the plan view portion of this turned off right now for the flat. I don't have the plan view done for the slopes and the stair, and that's the reason I turned it off, was just for the flat. But that will be fully functional, and you'll be able to draw your plan views out first if you want to, and then automatically do your erection and your shop drawings from that. Let's go ahead and do another one. We're going to continue, and this is going to be flat. Another, continue, stair, and all we're going to do is either put a plus or minus because it reads the run from that line that we put in there. And the designer, the plan view designer, will basically let you put in your rise and run and draw the line for the run portion of the calculation. You'll be able to calculate these stairs and slopes any way that you want. You just need to give me two, either A, B, C, or the angle AA or the angle BB, any two of those combinations. And you'll be able to pick your stair information also. Let's do another one. We'll do a flat, another stair. This time we're going to go negative. Another, continue, and flat. Another, continue, and sloped. This time we're going to put in minus 24 inches. Excuse me. Another, continue, flat. Another, continue, another arc. Another, continue, flat. And then we're going to quit. Now, let's go ahead and look at our arc railing for just a moment. It basically lines up all your posts and your pickets with the plan views. And these plan views, of course, it looks like it's out of sync, but you hit regen, and basically this is based on your post maximum length or maximum post spacing and your maximum picket spacing. So you'll be able to do any type of materials for post, pickets, picket rails. You'll have all the designers from the other two programs in this one. Also, you'll be able to do your layers, colors, and line types, and you'll be able to make those your layers, colors, and line types, and it will be default. Also, you'll be able to use your dimensions, textiles, and it'll look pretty well like your drawings. Now we're going to go ahead and do another one. This time we're going to go back to the left, just for this demo. And we're going to draw this about right there. And this one's going to go to the left. Another, continue, arc. Another, continue, flat. Another, continue, slope. We'll put in 24 inches for the rise. Another, continue, a flat one again. Another, a continue, and this time we're going to do a stair, and we're going to go positive. So positive draws it upward, negative draws it downward. Another, continue, flat. Another, continue, a stair, and this time we're going to draw it downward with a negative. Another, continue, flat again. Another, continue, slope. This time we'll put in negative 24, so it draws it downward. Another, continue, flat. Another, continue, arced. and we'll pick the arc. Another, continue, flat, and then we're going to quit. Now we'll zoom back out just a little ways because we're going to do some of the shop drawings. Now with the shop drawings, basically you're going to pick the railings that you drew from the erection drawings. You could have put the dimensions on those erection drawings if you wanted to. I just left them off. We're going to do a shop drawing, and we're going to do a single. And let's pick one of those stairs. There's the the shop drawing for the stair. Obviously, I don't have the bill of material, the dimensions, and the section views done for this yet. I don't have the grabrail capabilities, but you'll be able to do grabrails from this side, far side, and wall rails to match these on this side or far side. Sky's going to be the limit with this program when it's done. Let's do another one, and we'll do multiples, and let's just pick all of those, and there's all the shop drawings for the whole bottom section, and then we'll do another one, and we'll do multiples again. This way we'll go ahead and pick all the shop drawings for the other side, and there's all the shop drawings done. They're all numbered. It numbers them automatically. You'll be able to control the name and the number for these railings. You can do them however you like. You'll also be able to save, edit, and delete the data. Let's look at one of the arc railings. Now, I don't have the plan view with it at this time. I've just got it to this point to where I could draw the arc railings in line with the flat, sloped, and stair railings. You can do any combination. And also to you, from you, and it'll put in match lines to help you keep track of what drawings go where. Your title blocks, you'll be able to use the title block designer that I'm going to have with this program. You can put your title block in it. It's very easy to do. Watch a video on my website on how to do that. Once you put in your title blocks, you put in your A size, B size, C size, D's, E's, and F's. Your paper space tabs if you use those. Once you get that done, whatever you have that you're using at that particular time becomes default. So you'll be able to do all these drawings in A portrait, A landscape, B portrait, B landscape, C portrait landscape, D is only on landscape, E and F will only be landscape. C may only be landscape also, as a matter of fact, because I just don't remember if I have those capabilities in that title border program. So basically it will draw these to scale. If you do not draw your drawings to scale, this program will draw them to scale. In other words, the drawings are full size. The text and dimensions are going to automatically update themselves depending on the length of the railing will determine the size and scale of the drawing. So you could have a 1 inch equals a foot, 3/4 equals a foot, 1.5 inch equals a foot, and there could be many different scale sizes in one drawing set. That's going to be no problem whatsoever. When you print everything out, it'll look like everything is exactly the same size, only the railings will look a little bit longer. For more information, contact Dan at DansMark.com. My email is Dan at DansMark.com. This is going to be an exciting program. You'll be able to do almost anything that you need with this program. It's looking pretty good to me so far. I don't know how it looks to you. Thanks.